Flag raising ceremonies will be longer due to the addition of the Bagong Pilipinas Hymn and Pledge, where the schedule of classes will be affected according to Teachers Dignity Coalition Chairperson Benjo Basas.
Ibig sabihin nito, yung Mondays ay maraming oras, malaking oras. So, tansya namin hindi bababa sa 20 minutes yung makukuha ng flag raising ceremonies kapag Lunes. So, the academic time, the instructional time will suffer really.
Teacher Jennifer Evangelista also questioned the objective behind the new directive because teachers would have less time to teach.
Ilang minuto na naman ang kakainin nito na babawas sa first period subject teacher na oras ng kanyang pagtuturo, na kung isinusulong yung academic excellence, nakakain yung oras niya.
Chairperson Basas further explained, this is no longer necessary because the Philippine National Anthem, Ode to the Flag and Patriotic Pledge are more than enough.
Yung ating lupang hinirang at panatang makabayan at panunumpa sa watawat, these are more than enough. Hindi na kailangan dagdagan. At mas appealing, mas tumatama sa puso yung letra ng ating pambansang awit, pati na yung ating tradisyonal na panatang makabayan at panunumpa sa watawat. This is not practical. At the same time, hindi naman siya kailangan, hindi siya necessary, lalo na kung ang layunin ay supposedly magturo ng patriotism or nationalism.
The Teachers Dignity Coalition firmly believes that if the government wants to teach Filipinos about nationalism and patriotism, they should give more emphasis on our national anthem, panunumpa sa watawat, and panatang makabayan. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.